Which coffee maker will change your morning routine forever? Let's settle the AeroPress versus French press debate once and for all. The French press is like that reliable friend who never lets you down. It's incredibly simple. Just add coarse grounds, pour hot water, wait 4 minutes, and plunge. The immersion brewing creates a rich, full-bodied cup with oils that paper filters would normally remove. Plus, you can brew multiple cups at once, making it perfect for households or entertaining guests. The downside? Those coffee oils can taste bitter to some people, and cleanup involves dealing with messy grounds at the bottom. Now the AeroPress is the innovative newcomer that's won over coffee enthusiasts worldwide. This plastic brewing device uses air pressure to push water through finely ground coffee in just 90 seconds. The result is a remarkably smooth, clean cup without any sediment. It's incredibly portable, nearly indestructible, and gives you precise control over every variable. The paper filters eliminate oils completely, creating a bright, crisp flavor profile that highlights subtle notes in your beans. But here's the catch with the AeroPress. You can only brew 1 cup at a time, and those paper filters cost money over time. The French press wins on capacity and 0 ongoing costs. So which should you choose? If you love bold, rich coffee and brew for multiple people, the French press is your winner. But if you're a coffee perfectionist who values clean flavors and portability, the AeroPress will revolutionize your daily ritual. The real question isn't which is better, it's which matches your lifestyle and taste preferences. Both will dramatically upgrade your coffee game from whatever you're using now. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinural.com, 3 Coffee Lover.